So Francisco, let's talk about the minor scale. Okay, how we have two tetrachords in any scale, in the major scale and the minor scale. So in the minor scale, tell me about the first tetrachord. Starting, let's take A as an example. The scale of A, 1/2 1. Can you demonstrate it as an example? Starting from A. Very good. So the tetrachord finishes at D. And the second tetrachord, where does it start? At E. So if we're talking about how many kinds of minor scales do we have? How many genres? Three. What are they? Okay. Does it differ, the first tetrachord, among these three minor scales? Okay, what about the second? Okay, excellent. Now the second tetrachord starting with E. Yes, it differs. So what about if it is a harmonic scale? What happens to E? Harmonic scale. Harmonic, not melodic. Harmonic. So it's half. Okay, can you play the whole scale now, the harmonic scale? Excellent. Okay, now let's talk about the natural scale. The natural scale. So the natural scale, what about the first tetrachord? It's still the same, 1/2 1. What about the second tetrachord that starts with E, starts with the king? The second tetrachord always starts with the king, okay? With the fifth note. So let's talk about the natural scale. What happens in this case? Play it. Play the whole scale. No. Oh. You changed the first tetrachord. It became major. What happened? Okay. So it is half, whole, whole, the second tetrachord. Let's talk about the melodic minor scale. It's different going up than going down, right? So while going up, what do we play? Start, yes, the melodic. Start from the king. Start from the second tetrachord, because the first tetrachord we know that it's 1/2 1. So what is the pattern from E to A? And going down, it always. So if we look at it from here, between E and F, on going back, between E and F, we will have a pattern of half and then 1 1, right? So 1 1/2 going down and going up also 1 1/2, if we're looking on the timeline. Okay, very good.